Hey money movers, and welcome back to American Money. We've been laying the groundwork for building wealth, but today we're tackling a topic that can feel like a major roadblock: debt. Before you can truly unleash the power of investing, you often need to deal with those financial burdens that are holding you back. Now, let's be real. The absolute best way to handle debt is simple. Don't get into it in the first place. This means living within your means, thinking twice about those loans, and using credit cards like a debit card, only spending what you can pay back in full each month. But life happens, and many of us find ourselves facing debt. The crucial thing to understand is why tackling high-interest debt is so important before aggressively investing. If you're paying a hefty 20% on a credit card while hoping for an average 8% return on your investments, you're essentially running in place. Let's break down how to start breaking free. All right, let's get tactical. The first powerful strategy is the Debt Snowball method. This one is all about psychology and getting those quick wins to keep you motivated. Here's the game plan. First, you list all your debts: credit cards, smaller loans, everything, from the smallest balance to the largest. You'll make minimum payments on all of them. Then, you'll throw every extra dollar you can find at that smallest debt. Once it's gone, celebrate that victory. And then you take everything you were paying on that first debt and add it to the minimum payment of the next smallest one. See how it snowballs? It builds momentum and gives you those encouraging wins early on. This method, championed by folks like Dave Ramsey, is fantastic for staying motivated. Now, for the mathematically savvy among us, we have the Debt Avalanche method. This strategy is all about saving the most money on interest. The approach is slightly different. You list your debts from the highest interest rate down to the lowest. Just like with the snowball, you'll make minimum payments on everything. But here's the key. You'll focus all your extra payments on the debt with the highest interest rate. Once that's conquered, you take that entire payment and avalanche it onto the next highest interest debt. While you might not see those immediate small wins, this method will save you significantly more money on interest in the long run. It's the most efficient path to becoming debt-free. So, which method is right for you? If you know you thrive on quick wins and need that psychological boost, the Debt Snowball is your go-to. If you're laser-focused on saving every penny of interest, the Debt Avalanche is your weapon of choice. No matter which you pick, here's your actionable plan. 1. List all your debts with their balances and interest rates. Get it all down on paper. 2. Choose your method: Snowball for motivation, Avalanche for maximum savings. 3. Find extra money in your budget. Remember our 3-bucket method? Now's the time to put it into action. Cut those discretionary expenses. 4. Attack your debt with every extra dollar. 5. Set up automatic payments for your minimums to avoid any missed due dates. Consistency is key. Taking control of your debt is a massive step towards building the financial future you deserve. Don't feel overwhelmed. Just pick a strategy and start. To get going, list your debts and decide which repayment method aligns with your goals. What debt repayment strategies are you using? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, once you crush this debt, you'll be ready to dive into the exciting world of investing. Subscribe to American Money so you don't miss our next video to help you on your financial journey. Thanks for watching, and let's build out wealth together.